Just for that, I'm going to talk long and drawn out.
Doesn't surprise me.
7 years ago. Okay, guys. There's craziness in the world. We all know that. We've all complained. We've all gone over that. But one thing that's been a little difficult for some people that I know is getting good meat. Okay? If you find a place that provides you with good meat, that you want clean meat, okay, you're only allowed one. Then you got to get in your car, go to another store. It's ridiculous. So there's this subscription box called Butcher Box. I've been friends with them for about a year or two, and I've been impressed with all their quality. Nothing but clean meat, no hormones, grass-fed, all that stuff. We got all the package here for this month. Okay, guys, it's like Christmas. I really like this company because I like meat. If you're a meat lover like I am, or my carnivore brother, you'll like a company like this, I'm telling you. So let's see what we got in the box. First thing we got in the box, look at that. Beautiful, clean, real meat. Grass-fed beef sirloin tips. Look at that. So they're already in pieces. Grass-fed beef. Check this out. Wild-caught Alaskan Sockeye salmon. You know what that means? It means it's not farmed. It means it's not a place where they raise them in a tank. This is real deal stuff here. My buddy who fishes, he literally looks for this when he buys salmon in the store. He doesn't want any, they have to tell you if it's farmed or if it's wild caught. This is all wild caught. It's huge. Look how big this bag is. How much is this bag here? 2 pounds. And if you've ever eaten salmon, that's a lot of salmon, I'm telling you. All right, now let's look at this. What do we got? Grass-fed beef ribeye steaks. These are going for the video today. 2 ribeye steaks is going to be in our competition, okay? Look how beautiful that is. Perfectly marbled. Nice and clean. What is this? This is some more sirloin tips. So we'll put them over here with the sirloin tips. And then, look at that bad boy. Whole young organic chicken without, without the giblets. Most of you don't eat the giblets anyway. But look how beautiful that is. 4-pound fryer chicken. I know what I'm doing with this. This is going to be beautiful. And then what do we got in here? Look at this. Is this the freebie? Yeah. This has got to be the what they're talking about. The ground beef. There you go. That's what you want to win for life, so you guys got to subscribe. And then you've got boneless pork loin chops. And let's see, they're certified humane. Not Whole30 approved. So, I mean, the cleanest meat that you can get on the planet is right here at Butcher Box. So there you go. Look at all this meat. We're going to be doing the ribeye next, so let's get started. So let's back up a little bit and talk about what happened. So I took the Pit Boss pellets versus the Lumberjack because there was Pit Boss is the cheapest at Walmart, and Lumberjack has been talked about being champion. Okay, and then once I did that competition, and Lumberjack blew away the cheap ones. Okay, so once I did that competition, then everybody started writing me, "Hey, can you put this up against Bear Mountain?" And I'm like, "What's Bear Mountain?" And then I search for Bear Mountain. Now I'm seeing it like every day in my social media. It's so annoying. I've turned that feature off, so I don't know why they're tracking everything. I'm seeing things my wife does. She's seeing things I do. It's scary. So anyway, we're going to be doing that today. We're putting the champs Lumberjack against Bear Mountain, but I want to show you up close all the usual suspects. And then today we're also going to be using for the first time ever the grill gun. This is a product that was sent to me. This is to start fires. This is to like do a outer crust like if you're sous videing. This is amazing from what I can see, but I haven't tried it yet on the show. So I think I'm going to be using this a lot on the show, the grill gun. And check it out. It's small. It's not as big as that last company that came onto my show and used their torch to light fires. This screws right on, so I'll show you all that up close. So come on in close so I can show you everything. All right, guys. First of all, we've got the smoking tube. You've seen it many times in the show. It's one of my favorite devices. We're going to be using this on each steak. We're going to do a smoking tube of Lumberjack. Then we're going to do a smoking tube full of this. This is the Bear Mountain one, okay? We're going to use the grill gun, and that goes right on top of the propane tank. And it shoots fire, starts your fire. You can use it if you sous vide. Lots of times people need an outer crust after sous videing. You can do it on your steak after smoking, give it an outer crust. But today we're using the grill gun to light the smoking tube, because one of the problems I have with the smoking tube, almost 100% of the time, the smoking tube, I light it and then it goes out because I didn't give it a good light. This grill gun is going to torch it. It's going to really get that fire started, get those pellets burning. We're doing 2 ribeyes today. So why don't you go outside and meet me out there? We're not even going to turn on the smoker. We're just using the grill. Okay, just really quick. There is a gas valve on the top that opens the gas flow through the grill gun. You want to put it on very low to light the grill gun, okay? So she's got it on setting very low.
No.
Then she's going to pull her.
Watch her listen. You hear it. Come on.
You can't even see the flame, but it's there, right? Yeah, it's burning right at the end. Can you turn it on high? Okay, go ahead and go back to low. We don't need that much heat. That's how it works right there, man. And that thing's amazing. That's the smoking tube. We got the grill gun we're going to use to light the smoking tube. We got the steak on. Everything's ready, and that is the Champ Lumberjack pellets, okay? So go ahead and light it up. There you go. Leave it on there for a few seconds. Get that fire going. Okay, pull away. Now go ahead and blow that out. So smoke's coming out right now. See the smoke? Now I'm sure everything's working good. That's what I'm looking for. We're gonna do that for about 2 hours of solid smoke. We're gonna do the same thing with the other steak. So let's set our timer. All right, guys, there's Bear Mountain, there's Lumberjack. They both were smoked equally for 2 hours with our smoking tube, and now it's time to take it to the stove. We're gonna cook them equally. So we'll cook them in the same pan. We're gonna do like 3.5 minutes on each side, 4 minutes on each side, but they're both gonna get cooked equally, and then we'll try them out. Okay, guys, first thing we're gonna do is melt a little butter in the pan. Okay, time to put the steaks in. All right, guys, remember these 2 ribeye steaks came out of the butcher box that I got sent to my house. So it's clean meat, so let's cut them right now and take a look. And just a warning to you, I cooked to rare or medium rare. I'm not sure how these came out, but we will see. Smoke for 2 hours, cook for 3.5 minutes on each side.
So I'm gonna cut like that.
Mm-hmm. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Doesn't look too rare, huh? Looks kind of medium rare. That's how you like it, right?
Yeah, I do like that.
All right, time to give them a try. See which pellet gives you the most flavor. Bear Mountain, Lumberjack. All right, let's try the champ first, Lumberjack. And if you guys don't believe me, run the test yourself, but I'm going to give you my honest results. Within 30 seconds, smoke, just that smoky flavor just filled my mouth. Great as always. Let's try Bear Mountain. I must say, the Bear Mountain's much better than the Pit Boss from the other battle, but Lumberjack's still champ. I can't tell you how much flavor goes into that. They were equally smoked on the same smoker, cooked the same time. Lumberjack's the winner. Congratulations, Lumberjack. You guys got a great product. And I will be buying Lumberjack at Dick's Sporting Goods. There's a few other places you can look up on the internet. Be looking for the sales and grab as many bags as you can. I love you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.